Hey YouTube, it's episode 2. Yeah, so I'm about to bring Doug out for a walk because he's been sitting around literally just barking at me all morning. Yeah, super fun. Yeah, and so I'm gonna get to that, I guess. Sassy. Why are you like this?
Now to the good part.
Okay, so I need to get more comfortable talking to a camera. I'm not used to it yet, but I'm trying. So hopefully that improves with more videos, but yeah, so I took Doug out to the dog park for about 40 minutes and let him run around with a bunch of his friends today. And then whenever I got home, I fed him and played with him inside for a little bit, and now he's tuckered out and taking a nap, as he does. And whenever he wakes up again tonight, he'll be at it again, barking and wanting to go run and play because he's really loud. Doug's very vocal, but I'm patient with him. He's a rescue, for anyone who was wondering. And yeah, just I guess keep tuning in because yeah, Doug's adorable, so why wouldn't you? As for like anyone who kind of wants to get to know me at all, I have some other videos up on my channel, not really that much, but I'm hoping to film more. Like I might do a Q&A. If there's any kind of like interest in that, then give a thumbs up. And yeah, I could do that and leave a comment with any questions you have. I'm also going to be posting on my social medias like Instagram, Snapchat, so people can swipe up and ask questions on that. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say, honestly. That's pretty much all for today, but it's been super fun filming this video. But anyway, yeah, say hi, Mr. Bun Bun. Oh, Doug doesn't really know what to make of Mr. Bun Bun, so he just kind of likes to bark at him, so I have to keep them in separate rooms. But I love both of my babies. That's right. Even though you mostly just poop and don't do that much, but you're still my baby. Hop, hop, hop. Hoppity, hop, hop. Anyway, I guess that's all for today. Peace out. See you guys.